Welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And this is a radio that I've been tracking for quite a while. And I'm very on the fence on this. It's quite expensive, $278. It's a software-defined radio in a case with antenna connections and frequency control, volume control, in a touchpad, a touch screen, and it's had several revisions. This one says 1.10B, and I just read an article on swling.com, and the recommendation on is hold off until issues are resolved. And it says that I thought it important enough to write this update. And the author is Dan Robinson. We all know Dan Robinson very well. He does great reviews on radios. He has his own YouTube channel. And it says, in concluding my main review, he did a review before, which is right here. Again, this is on swling.com. I spoke about being on the, I don't know how to pronounce it, I'm sorry, train and roller coaster. And my experiences since it's shown to be true. As noted in one of the updates, well, you can read this in detail. But basically, let me see if they come down to the bottom. It says, based on the conversations that were taking place on Telegram, I would also be urging team to quickly come up with clear English translations of the manual. To review the instructions contained in the YouTube videos showing the firmware upgrade process. Up here it says, given all the new information, and though I made no buy recommendation on my original review, I would have to advise anyone considered the DSP-2 to hold off for a while until the team is able to thoroughly iron out a few hiccups with the receiver, whether in the firmware or the hardware, including the question of the SMA connector and the issue of voltage monitoring. So in here he talks about some of these issues. So I guess I will continue to hold off and not get this. See if he mentioned, he says the results in the test firmware upgrade to 10. Now this says, where'd it go? Right here. This says 1.1. So this is an older vintage. Now, there is a bunch of people selling these on Amazon and eBay. You can see up here, here's some other ones. So I'm going to hold off. And then of course there's this guy here, which is supposedly the same baseline. Let me click on that. There's the name again, and it's $94. It's got 3.5 out of 5, not a good rating. So I'm going to hold off for a while more. If you have any information on these radios, especially the one back here, this guy, or one like it, please let me know. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.